The clock is ticking once again. Dozens of migrants have 8 days left in a Kent hotel, thanks to an anonymous donor, before they're potentially back out on the streets camping in tents. Tonight, cities across King County are trying to find a long-term solution. King 5's Cornelius Hawker joins us now from the newsroom tonight with a look at how we got here. Cornelius.
Greg, hundreds of people have made their way to King County in the last year, traveling thousands of miles looking for a better life. But they've come to a country, a state, a county, and cities not prepared for the massive influx.
For more than a year,
I want to ask people, where do we go? Where do the families go?
Migrants from South America and Africa have been moved across King County. Most of them started at this Tequila church, which quickly became overwhelmed.
I want folks to know that there's a crisis here.
A patchwork of funding brought some of the asylum seekers to this Kent hotel, but the threat of eviction loomed.
There are families here, there are kids here.
Which is how 140 Venezuelan asylum seekers ended up spending Tuesday night on tennis courts outside of Garfield Community Center in Seattle. An anonymous donor gave $50,000 to extend their stay at the Kent Hotel for 11 days.
Our values as a city is to be welcoming.
Hamdi Mohammed leads Seattle's Office of Immigrant and Refugee Affairs. She believes
Our immigration system is broken. Our immigration laws makes the situation really complex for states and cities to respond in the way that we would like.
Because these people are seeking asylum, Hamdi says the benefits they can receive are limited.
For asylum seekers, there are a lot of federal policies in place that restricts governments, local jurisdictions from being able to provide the same services that they would provide to someone who is in a refugee legal status.
The city of Seattle, along with King County, have given more than $3 million to house the asylum seekers. The state will provide more than $32 million to help with migrants and asylum seekers, but that money will not be available until July 1st.
We need federal input and support around the infrastructure that is needed to be able to support this population.
Congressman Adam Smith, who represents Tequila and Kent, says he's requested the federal government to help with this situation by providing funding and speeding up the process for asylum seekers to get their work permits. In the newsroom, Cornelius Hawker, King 5 News.